No damn where else. TheBoot.com is the country going soft. The country's biggest fuse to who are the hottest bachelors today in country music.
Riley, you're okay. Here. Look.
I say a zillion things.
Prior learning and minimize time and investment required to earn your degree. Click the button below to get started or visit amuonline.com/degrees.
You don't want to play with Rocky?
That thing gets up.
Rocky, reporting for duty.
Kill it, Boo. Stab it. Get your sword.
Go ahead.
Get your sword, Boo. Riley, get your sword. Get your sword. Stab it. Stab it. Get it. Get it, Riley.
Oh, Bubba, you're okay. Come here. Here, Mommy will help you. Here. I got you.
Wow, you are using his. You're no better than the father.
All right. Get him. Get him. You don't want to play with Rocky? Okay. All right. Can you say bye-bye, Rocky? Bye-bye, Rocky.
Make some noise if you want to dance. Yeah!
Look, he's dancing.
That was fun. Let's do it again.
Okay. All right. No more. He goes bye-bye.
Look, don't.
No more. Here, we'll put him back in the box, okay? Come here. Here, do you want to cover him up? Put him in? Here, we cover him. You help Mommy?
Just in case.
No? Okay. Mommy will do it.
Val's freaking out Riley and...
Alright. Bye-bye, Rocky. No more Rocky. He's going night-night. You're safe now. Okay?
If you want the biggest Riley hug, you would press the button right now so Rocky turns on.
Alright. You all better? Huh? All better? Okay. Alright. We're done. Say bye-bye. Huh? You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Come here. Need a huggy? Come here. Mommy got you. Oh. Alright. You're okay. Here. You know what you need? Come on. Here. For being a brave little man. You can have a cookie. Come here. Get a cookie. Oh. Mmm. Cookie. Cookie. Alright. Okay, we're gonna go bye-bye now. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.